Hi everyone, welcome to this virtual information object. Today, I am going to show you an easy way to write an opinion paragraph. This is what you need to do. Introduce your opinion, give the reasons, explain in more detail, and give your conclusion. Let's take as an example the topic, how do you feel about where you live? The best way to do this is the OREO way. OREO, as in the famous chocolate cookie. This is, however, no ordinary cookie. It's an opinion cookie. The top of the cookie is your introduction. That's where you give your opinion. The cream in the middle is the interesting bit. That's where you give the reasons for your opinion and explain them to your readers with evidence or examples. And finally, there is the cookie bottom. That's where you give your opinion again in the conclusion. So there we go. OREO, a great way to write a super tasty paragraph for your readers. Right, let's make some notes now. It's a good idea to make a table like this in your notebook. You might be asking, do we have to give 3 reasons? Well, yes, 3 is the minimum. 2 is just not enough. So, in the topic, how do you feel about where you live? Let's imagine I live in the countryside, which it's quite difficult. There are many problems. Let's put it in the notes. Here we go. Work. There's not many jobs around and little variety. What else? Shopping. Shopping's a problem. There are not many shops and you have to get in the car, even if you just want some milk, which is horrible. And then there's the internet. Oh gosh, it's so slow and it goes down completely quite often. So, what am I going to do about it then? Well, I think I'm going to move to the city. These notes are good. There's just one thing though. What's the main problem? It's best to save the most important reason for last. It has more impact and the readers will remember it. Okay then, so first I will place shopping, then internet, and the most important reason at the end, work. Okay, let's get down to the writing. We are going to need a bit more space now. We are going to write in the table. If we use the OREO table, we won't forget anything important. Okay, let's begin. Many people think that living in the countryside is ideal, but it's not working for me. That would be my topic sentence. Let's just go over what makes a good topic sentence. The topic sentence must have your topic and your main point, what you are going to say about the topic. This must be very clear for your readers. And we have to remember that the topic sentence is also the controlling sentence. With this topic sentence, for example, I can only write about why living in the countryside is not good for me. I can't start writing about any good points. Okay, let's continue with the OREO table. Reason 1. Firstly, there is little choice when it comes to shopping. Explanation. There are not many shops in my area, just one supermarket. It is 2 kilometers from my house, so I have to use the car. Reason number 2. Another reason is that the internet service is very poor. Explanation. Usually it is so slow that I can't watch a video. Even worse, it sometimes goes down completely in the evening. And reason 3. Finally, and most importantly for me, there is not much opportunity when it comes to working. Explanation. Most companies have their offices in the city, So if I want to find interesting work, I will have to commute for 2 hours. Opinion again concluding. Briefly, country living is not as great as people think. In my opinion, it is very inconvenient. I am going to move to the city as soon as I can find a job there. Let's take it out of the table and look at it as a complete paragraph. Ooh, it looks really good. The OREO table is great. It really helps. Oh, we forgot the milk. You might be asking what milk? Remember the milk I go for in the car? You might be asking also, do I really need that information? Yes, I do. More information, better for the readers. Let us place it right here. Let's look at it in black and white. Nice. Just needs a title now. Something short and catchy. Country life? Boring. How about City Girl Blues? Nah. How about Escape from the Country? Yeah, I've got it. Finally, if you ever have to write an opinion paragraph, remember OREO. O for opinion in the introduction, R for reasons, E for evidence or examples, O for opinion again in the conclusion. Thanks for watching, everybody. These are the references. Until the next opportunity.